Okay, this video is for the 5.2 Desmos activity, but this one will be using the Desmos graphing calculator to solve it. Just like on the previous video, we have a table. So we got to take this table and we're going to enter it into the Desmos graphing calculator. So I go to make sure you have that open. I go to that tab, the graphing calculator. I go to this plus sign. And when I click on it, I kind of hold it, and then the table will come up, and that's what I'm adding. It has an x1 and y1, and that's going to be important because that's what you got to put in the next equation. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the table real quick, and I'll look at it. It's 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to type in my 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I will see. And then I'll go here and I'm going to put in my Y table, and it's 728, 112, 7, 8, 112, and the last number was 448. Okay, now once I got that entered, now what's different from this calculator and the yellow ones that the school issued is that you don't have to hit enter. Once I type it in, it's there. Now this comes the tricky part. I want to put in that y1 and x1. So, and make my equation. So it's going to be y1. All you do is type in the y, and then the 1. You got your y1. Now you're not going to do equals. You're going to do the tilde symbol. And the tilde you get by holding down the shift button, and then there's a button right underneath the escape, and I get that symbol right there. You got to have that symbol because that way it'll always change. And then the basic formula for exponentials is going to be A, parentheses, inside goes to B, close parentheses, and then I got to raise it to the x1. So to raise it, you're going to hold down the shift 6, and it gives you the exponents. And there, I'm going to press X and 1. Now, automatic, as soon as I do that, it makes a graph out of that table. And if I scroll down, it gives me an A number and a B number. My A number is 109375. So that's what I type in there. And my B number is 4. So I'm going to go back to my Desmos, and it says it is 0.109375. I'm going to hit submit, and then I'm going to go to the B number. The B number was 4. Hit submit, go to my next, and then here we put it all together. And remember, the A number is first, and that was that 0.109 number. The B number is second, which is inside the parentheses. So this is the one I'm going to pick. And you hit next, and you do the steps again.